morning, students. Today we are learn about the topic name is the first unit. The lesson name is Human Anatomy and Physiology 1. Human Anatomy Physiology 1. The subtopic A, digestion and absorptions. Digestion and absorptions. Now we are discussing about the topic name is Human Digestive System. The topic name is Human Digestive System. Now, in human beings, the human digestive system is mainly consist of alimentary canal and associated of the glands. The human digestive system consists of the first one is alimentary canal. Alimentary canal. And the second one is associated glands. Associated glands. Human digestive system is consist of the first one is alimentary canal and the second one is associated glands. Alimentary canal as well as digestive tract. Now discussions about the first one is alimentary canal or digestive tract. Alimentary canal or digestive tracts. In human beings, the opening of the alimentary canal begins with the anterior opening of the mouth. The alimentary canal in human beings begins with the anterior opening of the mouth and ending to the posterior opening of the anus. The posterior opening of the anus. So the alimentary canal is the opening to the begins with the opening of mouth and ending to the posterior opening of the anus. Now the parts of the alimentary canal, mouth to anus, is including to the pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine and large intestine. It is totally consists of the alimentary canal. Alimentary canal. It is the alimentary canal. Now discussions about the first one is mouth. Now the discussion to the topic is mouth. Mouth. In our mouth, it is present to the in borders of the mouth there is a movable of the upper and lower lips are present. Movable of the upper and lower lips. This upper and lower lips is known as labia. Is known as labia. In the mouth, the borders of the mouth there is present to the movable upper and lower lips. Upper and lower lips. This known as labia. This known as labia. And the mouth is leads into the buccal cavity or oral cavity. The mouth is open or leads into the buccal cavity or oral cavity. Oral cavity. In this buccal cavity or oral cavity, there is present to the pharynx. There is present to the pharynx. First of all, human digestive system. Human digestive system is consist of the alimentary canal and associated glands. Alimentary canal and associated glands. So the alimentary canal, it is begins with the anterior opening of the mouth and ending to the posterior opening of the anus. In the parts of the alimentary canal, it is including to the different type of parts are present. These are pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine and large intestine. These are total parts is present in the alimentary canal. Now the first one is mouth. In borders of the mouth there is present to the movable upper and lower lips. This known as labia. This known as labia. This mouth is leads into the oral cavity or buccal cavity. In this buccal cavity there is present to the pharynx. This pharynx is separating to the ventral buccal cavity and dorsal nasal chambers. It is separating to the ventral buccal cavity and dorsal nasal chambers, separated by to the pharynx, and it is also separated to the chewing and breathing. It is also separating to the chewing and breathing. These are both are separated by to the pharynx. It is a pharynx. Next, the base of the buccal cavity. So the base of the buccal cavity, there is present to the jaw bones. The base of the buccal cavity, there is present to the jaw bones. In jaw bones, there are present to the different types of teeth are present. Different type of teeth present. So the different type of teeth, these are incisors, canines, premolars and molars. These are 4 different type of teeth are present into the jaw bones. Now, in our human beings, the teeth is embedded into the socket of jawbone. It is a socket of jawbones. This type of teeth is known as thecodont. This type of dentition is known as thecodont. It is a 2 marks question. What is thecodont teeth? What is thecodont? That means that in our human beings, the teeth are embedded into the socket of the jawbone. The teeth are embedded into the socket of jawbone. This type of dentition known as thecodont. This type of teeth are known as thecodont. It is a 2 marks question. What is thecodont? In our human beings, the teeth are embedded into the socket of jawbone. This is known as thecodont teeth. Thecodont teeth. Next, the majority of mammals, including to the human beings, they have formation to the 2 sets of teeth they have lifetime. In our lifetime, the formations of the teeth are 2 sets. A set of temporary or milk teeth. A set of temporary or milk teeth. These teeth are replaced by to the permanent or adult teeth. These are replaced by to the permanent or adult teeth. This type of dentition is known as diphodont dentition. This type of dentition is known as diphodont dentition. It is also 2 marks question. What is diphodont dentition? What is diphodont dentition? So diphodont dentition means in our human beings like mammals, in our lifetime, the formations of the teeth are 2 sets. One set is a milk or temporary teeth, and the second set is the permanent and adult teeth. This type of dentition is known as diphodont dentitions. Next, in human beings, consist of the teeth are 32. In human beings, consist of the teeth is 32. Permanent teeth. Permanent teeth. So these teeth are majorly 4 different types. 4 different types. The first one is incisors. Second one is canines. Third one is premolars. And fourth one is molars. These are mainly 4 different type of teeth present in our human beings. This type of dentition is known as heterodont dentition. Heterodont dentition. What is heterodont dentitions? In our human beings is consist of the 4 different type of teeth. Incisors, canines, premolars and molars. This type of dentition is heterodont dentition. What is thecodont dentition? In human beings, the teeth are embedded into the socket of jawbone. This type of teeth is a thecodont. What is diphodont dentitions? In our lifetime, the human beings formations of the 2 sets of teeth are present. One set is a milk or temporary. These teeth are replaced by to the permanent or adult teeth. This type of dentition is diphodont dentitions. What is heterodont dentitions? In our human beings is consist of the 4 different kinds of teeth are present. These are incisors, canines, premolars and molars. This type of dentition is known as heterodont dentitions. Now, the dental formula in human beings of the dental formula. So the dental formula is 2123 by 2123. 2123 by 2123. Now the dental formula in babies. These are 2102 by 2102. This type of dentations, the third molar of the teeth is appeared is a letter. So this type of teeth is known as wisdom teeth. Wisdom teeth. What is the meaning of wisdom teeth? In babies, the third molar teeth are appeared is very later. This type of teeth is known as wisdom teeth. The human dental formula is 2123 by 2123. It is the structure of the information of the teeth. Next, in this, next we'll continue to the class tomorrow.